Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat idea for a teacher or somebody that really likes crafts. This is a rolling tote storage container. So it comes with this nice dolly that has 5 wheels on the bottom, super easy to install. You just simply line them up and push down, and then they are all in place. You hear that little snap? All 360 rotations, which are great. This will fold down, pull that up, or it locks in place by just simply snapping that down. And you have telescoping rod here that you can then add this monster on here. This thing is awesome. You actually have the little trolley thing on the back, so it will then slide over the back of here and be able to get wheeled around and know that it is nice and secured into place. Now, when you open this thing up, you also have this part that can keep it open so it doesn't fall in on you. You've got this bottom part right here that's a nice stiff board. You just push down, and that way it is all nice and stabilized. You do also have little locking hooks that you can put in underneath here, so that way it doesn't go anywhere. But this is amazing. You have an area back in the back that you can put iPads or laptops or anything like that. Velcro all that in. You have areas in the whole thing. I mean, you've got a little carrying strap that we can optionally hook on right here, which we'll show you how to use all these things here in a minute. But all of these extra zippers have so many different options. You can put a variety of different things in here. On one side, calculators or goodie bags or whatever else. On this side over here, you do have an area that has for little pencils or markers or crayons or whatever else you're wanting to put in there, a nice little meshed area to keep everything in place. So that is great, zipper smooth. Now the front, you've got this open pocket. You want to have something in there, or you actually have this accordion style area here. If you had certain files or books or anything that you needed to keep separated, you've got a really nice way to do all of that just through this accordion style thing. Then you can simply zip it back up and have everything all organized and ready to go. Now I'm going to take this outside and show you kind of how to use it and roll it around. All right, so I've got this outside, and as you can see, this wheels around great, so it's easy to carry around. Whenever you're ready to use it, you can just slide it off, carry it over your shoulder, walk around with it that way. Or if you wanted, you could even use this and just carry it like that. This is a great way to have all of your stuff nice and combined, easy to use, and super versatile.